Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Cash App on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to download Cash App on your Android device, go tap open your Play Store. In the search box where it says search for apps and games, give it a tap and type in Cash App and search. Once you find the application that says Cash App, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process for the application. Wait until the app gets downloaded on your Android device. Cash App is the financial service company and it is the easiest way to spend and invest your money, send and receive money from a single application. Once your application gets installed on your mobile device, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the app or right beside the application. Tap it on in order to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Cash App application for your Android device. Now a shortcut has been created for your Cash App application in your app drawer. I hope you learned how to easily download the application. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.